Customers these days are well informed, and when they come to our showroom, we are able to meet their design requirement. One of the interesting offerings that we have in this showroom is a tile that's produced with digital co-printing technology. It offers brighter colors and it can be customized to your liking.
What I really enjoyed about this project is that it gave us the opportunity to test the boundaries of what tiles can do.
Well, we thought it was an opportunity for us to really trying to think out of the box, recreate a showroom beyond its normal function of just displaying tiles.
Over at the Mansion's bedroom, you can find different types of material found in large panels, which works like a mood board. It can inspire homeowners and the designers. Another interesting product that we carry in this new showroom is the 12mm porcelain slabs, which can be used for kitchen top, dining table, and furniture. The use of this product is a rising trend.
Through the various trade fairs that we have visited during the years, we have identified innovative products that we can introduce to the market. I believe the market is ready for innovative surfacing products. Hafary, as a market leader, has decided to take the lead to bring those products to the designers, architects and homeowners.